Fly anglers chase all kinds of freshwater species over the course of their adventures. Trout usually steal the spotlight, with smallmouth bass and northern pike not far behind. But there's one fish that stands apart, one that's spoken about in hushed tones by even the most seasoned anglers, the elusive muskellunge, or simply the muskie. This week, I'm heading north to Cedar Lake in Ontario's Sunset Country, a place known for world-class muskie fishing. The lake is also home to big smallmouth bass, walleye, crappie, and northern pike. But it's the muskie that draws anglers from all over North America and abroad. I'll be staying at Cedar Lake Lodge, right in the heart of this incredible fishery. I'll admit, I'm a little out of my comfort zone. I'm mostly a trout and smallmouth angler, but that's what makes this trip so exciting. This is big fish country, and I'm here to see if I can go toe-to-toe with the apex predator of freshwater, the muskie.
Follow. Keep going. Yeah, keep going fast. This is crazy. Yeah, keep going quick. Yeah, keep going. That was sweet. That was textbook. How's your heart?
That was fun.
Yeah, go quick. Yeah, got it.
It's no surprise Cedar Lake is considered a world-class muskie fishery. There aren't just a handful of fish here. This lake is loaded with trophy muskie, big smallmouth, walleye, crappie, and northern pike. Coming here to Ontario's Sunset Country has been one of the true highlights of my fly fishing career. Will I be back? You better believe it.